your choice which you have added in the library earlier. Right now I'm taking a triangle prong. You can use Q or E to reduce or increase the size of it, A or D to rotate it. You can also play with the overlap that you would expect. That will give you a red colored line out there that helps you to decrease or increase the placement over the stone. As you move around, in case you need to increase the size, I'm using E. To decrease, I can use Q. I can use A or D to rotate. I can also go ahead and change the Z alignment using Z or C to make it go up and down. So likewise, if I were to increase the size, play with the rotation, you see I don't have to actually go and ensure that it is perpendicular or not. At any angle I will be able to place it correctly.